बंधुजन, आप सुन रहे हैं द हॉट एंड हॉकिंग ड्राइव टाइम प्राइम टाइम जैम पैम पैम। एंड आज मुझे ना एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट बात सूझी है।
हाँ बोलो बोलो फालतू नहीं, बोलो बोलो।
क्या ना आलतू, कितनी बार हम जो सोचते हैं वो कहते नहीं है।
हाँ हाँ, जो कहते हैं कभी कभार सोचते भी नहीं,
और कभी कभार सोच समझ के भी वी डोंट एक्चुअली से व्हाट वी मीन।
हाँ हाँ, कभी कभार बिना सोचे कुछ भी कहते थे, लाइक आर फालतू रानी ओवर हियर। अरे अरे मेरे कहने का वो मतलब नहीं था। हाँ?
मुझे मालूम है तुम्हारे कहने का क्या मतलब था आलतू।
अरे माय डियर फालतू रानी, मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, मेरा मतलब वो नहीं था। मेरा मतलब वो नहीं था के बारे में बात करके लीडिंग करने का टू वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट एक्टर्स ऑफ ऑल टाइम, अनुपम जी।
अरे तेरा मतलब ये है कि दैट वी हैव ऑन द एयर द वन एंड ओनली मिस्टर अनुपम खेर।
अरे वाह, हाइकू वाइकू।
हाइकू का मतलब नहीं था आलतू।
लेकिन चलो अच्छा खासा वेलकम तो हो गया ना।
हाँ,
वेरी गुड। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम टू द स्टूडियो, दैट्स मतलब पैम पैम शो पे वेलकम करते हैं अनुपम जी। वेलकम टू द पैम पैम शो सर।
थैंक यू आलतू जी, थैंक यू फालतू जी।
अरे वाह,
आपकी बातें आलतू फालतू नहीं है, मगर नाम अच्छे हैं आपके।
थैंक यू सर, कभी कवर नहीं किया सर।
तो अनुपम जी, first of all, our honor and privilege to be talking to you. We're so excited that you're with us on the air, and we're so excited that we're going to be seeing you this Friday and on Saturday.
Yeah, both the days.
Wonderful. That's a great news. I think the best thing that has happened on this tour is that before we have done our first show, we are already talking about the second show, which is before the second show.
That is
So
wonderful.
it is fantastic. Yes.
It is tremendous response. In fact, the first show when they announced it itself was total sold out kind of a thing, and then now they had to open up a second show also, and that shows how much our Bay Area bandhus love Anupam.
That's right.
वाह वाह वाह, थैंक यू जी, थैंक यू, बहुत अच्छा लगा। और पिछले का नाम है मेरा वो मतलब नहीं था, और आपने अच्छी शुरुआत में इंट्रोडक्शन की। आपका वही मतलब होना चाहिए जो अब आप बोल रहे हो।
हाँ सर, वही है। हमारा मतलब वही है।
हाँ, exactly. तो आलतू फालतू के स्टाइल में थोड़ा बहुत लीड इन कर लिया सर, बस।
हाँ सर, लेकिन सर
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल करिए ना।
हाँ सर, तो एक्चुअली वी वोट देखो, वी गोइंग टॉक अबाउट द प्ले एंड एवरीथिंग सर, लेकिन उससे पहले आई एम श्योर आवर बंधुस हु वी कॉल आवर बंधु लिसनर्स ओवर हियर, दे माइट बी हैविंग सम क्वेश्चंस इन देयर माइंड व्हिच इज आल्सो रनिंग इन आवर माइंड्स आल्सो। तो इफ यू डोंट माइंड, चंद सवालात हो जाए।
जी जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
So अनुपम जी, आप you know, it's an undisputed fact, everybody knows you're one of the finest actors of all time. तो आपसे ये हम पूछना चाहते हैं कि आपका कब ये calling आया? When did you how did you figure out that acting is what you want to get into?
Oh my God, that's ये तो पुरानी बात हो गई बहुत। But I think I was not very good at studies. I was not very good at great sports person. In fact, एक बार मेरा पीटी टीचर दौड़ता हुआ देख के बोला कि तुम अकेले दौड़ोगे तब भी सेकंड आओगे। हाँ, तो पढ़ाई में बताने तो आई थिंक आई यूज्ड टू बी गुड एट मिमिकिंग पीपल, मतलब दादा दादी, चाचा चाची, पिताजी, रिश्तेदारों के, दोस्तों के, टीचर्स की, पड़ोसियों की नकल उतारता था। I think that must be the first symptoms of acting. But then I went through a proper training, 1 year training of Department of Indian Theatre, Punjab University, Chandigarh, then 3 years training in diploma in acting from National School of Drama. तो प्रॉपर मैं पढ़ा लिखा एक्टर हूँ, मतलब तुक्के से नहीं बना हूँ। But yes, initially as a child, I think it started from all those things. और फिर दूसरी बात क्या हो गई, छोटे शहर में, I come from Shimla. At that time, it was a very small town. छोटे शहर में सिर्फ आदमी सपने देखता है, क्योंकि वक्त जो है वो कटता नहीं है। So I think I used to dream of becoming somebody big, somebody popular, somebody known, that after many years somebody will be doing my interview in San Francisco. अगर ये हो सकता है तो कुछ भी हो सकता है।
Of course, that's very true. कुछ भी हो सकता है, लेकिन हम आपसे बात कर रहे हैं, वो for me it's a different dream come true actually.
That's right.
So, sir, I would ask you one thing, because आपके तो you have a great repertoire. You worked in theatre, worked in movies, you excelled in both the places. I want to ask you some question about this theatre. What is the attraction to theatre? Because we see many established artists also trying to gravitate towards the stage. What is your take on the fact that why people are attracted to perform on stage?
Well, I think the best joy of performing in front of live audience is amazing. The adrenaline rush is fantastic. और फिर हम प्राइमरीली मैं थिएटर से हूँ, मैं बार-बार अपने थिएटर को विजिट करता हूँ जब मुझे लगता है कि एज एन एक्टर मुझे जंग लगने वाला है या आई एम getting stale. I go onto the stage and I make it a little interesting, because there is no retake in a theater. So that's what is important. I think the audience जो एक बार शुरू हो गया, फिल्मों में तो क्या होता है, रीटेक होते रहते हैं, and we never come across audiences as it is. The best thing about this whole tour has been that everywhere we have gone, we've got so much physically, we got so much love, so much warmth, so much respect. And usually after the play, I go into the audience for 10 5-7 minutes and sort of meet them.
Oh, wow.
That is the thrill of the theatre. I think and also theatre as an actor allows you to reinvent yourself.
Wow.
I have been lucky to do various different kinds of roles in cinema also. But हालांकि मैंने बहुत मुख्तलिफ किस्म के रोल किए हैं, but फिल्म थिएटर का जो मजा है वो उसका एक मैजिक है. Magic of the moment hai, on the spot hai.
That's true.
Very well said. Very well said. Of course, Bandhuchan, if you're talking to Anupam ji, you can recognize the voice already, I suppose. And आपको बोल दे कि ये जो play आ रहा है, मेरा वो मतलब नहीं था. वो play is actually has also opened up one more day, a day prior. That's Friday को भी open है. So if you want to go buy tickets right now, go head out because initially it was going to be sold out on Saturday, but Friday also is open. You got to be there. They have started this route for the year right now, and everywhere it has gone. India ho, Singapore ho, London ho, sold out shows. You should not miss it out for sure. This weekend is going to happen.
And especially when you have artists of this caliber who are performing. So, Anupamji, what I want to ask you is, this is a slightly devil's advocate kind of take, but jo hamari nayi generation hai, the way they've started consuming media is more like online videos and, YouTube and such. So, aapka kya rai hai with regard to the future of theatre, really?
I think in that sense, I'm a new age kid. I believe in complete social media. I have great interest in Twitter. I'm on Twitter, quite interestingly, Facebook and Instagram. I think we have to keep reinventing yourself. We have to keep ourselves alive. And I think that social media has played a very important role in spreading the greatness about this play.
Absolutely.
मतलब आज अगर हम हर आदमी जो थिएटर में बैठा जिसके पास एक फोन है जिस पर सोशल मीडिया इंटरनेट वगैरह है वो जैसे जैसे प्ले चलता जाता है वैसे वैसे उस प्ले के बारे में बात करता है. मतलब उसके डेंजर भी हैं. इफ यू कम अप विद अ बैड प्ले और बैड फिल्म स्प्रेड एज फास्ट एज अ गुड थिंग. सो दैट आई थिंक इज वेरी गुड. एंड एक जमाने में माँ अंगीठी पे खाना बनाती थी, आज माइक्रोवेव पे गर्म होता है. तो अगर वो हम एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हैं, बाकी चीजें भी हमको एक्सेप्ट करनी चाहिए. हर अच्छाई के साथ कहीं ना कहीं छोटी छोटी बुराइयां जरूर छुपी हैं. But I think I'm an optimist and I never bother about what is not working. I only think about what can be worked out.
Wonderful.
Because I'm a doer, I'm not a thinker. I think we need to do things. We don't need to necessarily think about it.
Wonderful. And of course, माँ का खाना होता है. Right?
वो तो नहीं चले जाओ आप सर किसी के भी घर चले जाओ. Because माँ के खाने में सिर्फ मसाले नहीं होते, उसमें प्यार होता है. जहाँ से भी आपको प्यार मिलता है, वो खाना बेस्ट ही होता है. That's why wherever you may go, you always say, but my mother cooks the best.
Right.
Wonderful.
Wow. So, what brings you most satisfaction? Camera ke samne acting karna. I know you said that it's wonderful to get the live feedback from the audience, but if you were to pick, which gives you...
No, I think I have done. I've been very lucky. I've been very fortunate actors who has got amazing different kinds of roles, whether it be Khosla Ka Khosla or Special 26 or Wednesday or Saransh or Daddy or Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge or Karma.
Right.
All these people. So I've been very lucky. But yes, the whole process of this is we are traveling from San Diego to Las Vegas in a coach. Everybody is together, whether the whole technical crew is together.
Wow.
We are doing theatre as theatre should be done. We're living in smaller hotels. We don't the cinema gives you a glamour and gives you the luxury, which is fantastic. I'm thankful to that. But then to prepare for the play, you have to get into that mood for 3 hours, 4 hours before the play. I get very nervous before the play. I don't eat anything much before the play.
You get nervous?
I get very nervous. Really, really, very nervous because I don't want to take my audiences for granted. I want to respect them and give them my best.
Wow.
And for that, I need to get nervous. I do get nervous. I don't need it to maybe, but I can't help it but getting nervous. And then the whole process of being on stage for 2 hours, the live audience, where the response of the audience, whether they are crying with you or whether they are laughing with you or whether there is a gasp, it's magic. It's magical. The whole atmosphere becomes magical. And in cinema, we are just there on the cellulite. We have gone through the experience of acting in front of the unit, in front of the technical staff and everything. But iska feedback constant चलता रहता है.
Correct.
So you say it's a balance you have to keep. अगर लग रहा थोड़ा play का pace थोड़ा slow जा रहा है किसी city में अच्छा हर city की audience भी अलग अलग होती है.
Correct.
You know हर city का vibes अलग होती है, हर hall की vibe अलग होती है. So all those things affect you and affect the audience. But the content is so strong of this play, मेरा वो मतलब नहीं था, that it has got us amazing reaction from all the 19 shows that we have done in all over US and Canada.
Yeah.
It is people. If we don't stop them, they don't stop clapping, standing ovation. So I think that is the biggest high that an actor can get.
Absolutely.
उसको तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट में जो है वो सब उसके सपने, सब उसकी थकावट, सब उसकी चीजें पूरी हो जाती है.
वाह, well said.
वाह. आपका जो एक्टर के बारे में आपने बात किया, it's a great segue to this question that we have for you, sir. आपका first of all kudos to you on the institute that you have, which is Actor Prepares. तो आप, we wanted you to talk to us a little bit about this initiative, क्योंकि कहते हैं कि many of us who are listening here in the San Francisco Bay Area, I would say 99% of us are all techies. But the younger generation that's growing up, we have a teen show as well. A lot of them are interested in acting and in liberal arts and those kinds of things. So we want you to actually give us the brass tacks on it. I mean, everybody says hard work and stuff, but how easy is it?
It's not only in my school. It's not only when you go through a training as an actor.
Mm-hmm.
You don't only train about acting, you also train about life.
Mm-hmm.
It's a life-changing experience for you. You understand other people, because when you are in a class and learning acting, you are dealing with emotion.
Mm-hmm.
You discover what is your shortcoming, you discover what is your strength.
Mm-hmm.
You discover what are your complexes, you discover what do you need to work on.
Mm-hmm.
And by the time your 3 months course is over and 10 hours a day,
Mm-hmm.
you move out as a better person, as a better actor. So, and today we have in our school engineers, doctors, IT professionals, all kinds of people who are doing training. आज से 12 साल पहले मुझे लगता था जब कि it's time that I need to give back to industry what the film industry has given me. So that was one of the thought process. And also I used to see a lot of newcomers performing in a scene, and I used to feel they were petrified of acting. And I could see the nervousness, I could see their sweat coming on the face, and I used to feel very sad for them that the fact that they should enjoy this profession and they are not able to enjoy because they are not trained. अनपढ़ लोग ही बोलते हैं कि जी एक्टर तो अंदर से निकल आती है, वो घर के अंदर ही निकलती है वैसे. वरना हर मोहल्ले में एक कोई ना कोई आलिया भट्ट है और हर मोहल्ले में कहीं ना कोई वरुण धवन है जो शादी पे डांस करते हैं और उनको लगता है लो जी उनके रिश्तेदार बोलते हैं देखो जी आलिया जैसे डांस कर रही है और देखो जी श्रद्धा कपूर जैसे कर रही है, देखो जी वरुण धवन लग रही है. माय गॉड, यहाँ तो शाहरुख खान लगा था. It is a different thing to perform in shadis and everything. It's a different thing, and also the world has become very competitive. आज से 15-20 साल पहले या 25 साल पहले audiences used to give you 10, 15, 20 chances. Today your first chance is your last chance because there are so many others there to take your space. So I think with all those thoughts that I had kept in mind, I wanted to open the school, and I started with 12 students in a small room. And by the grace of God, today one of the finest schools we have in the world, been also given one of the finest schools in the world by a French TV.
Wow.
And we have 120 students in one batch. We have various classes, we have evening batches, we have weekly batches, we have private coaching, and people have understood that it's important to get trained as an actor. अभी बिना ट्रेनिंग के कोई डॉक्टर नहीं बन सकता, बिना ट्रेनिंग कोई इंजीनियर नहीं बन सकता, बिना ट्रेनिंग कोई डांसर नहीं बन सकता. बट ये सबको लगता है कि जी मैं बिना ट्रेनिंग के एक्टर जरूर बन सकता हूँ. बट या तो आप बुरे एक्टर हो या अच्छे एक्टर हो, अगर आपको सर्वाइव करना है तो if a person like me has survived for the last 31 years and I'm still talking about my achievements to you, it's only because I'm a trained actor and I keep training every single day.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. So again, so kudos for that particular effort, sir, and congratulations for that. And I want to thank you personally on behalf of all our bandhus for sharing such a fresh take on this concept of acting and liberal arts as such. So I had a question which might be apt to ask. What does it take for them to make it industry, aside from going through a formal acting program?
Determination.
Okay.
And not having a second choice. Problem is that you don't make it because you keep a safe second choice ready. अरे यार इसमें ट्राई करके देखते हैं, नहीं हुआ तो फिर हम बिजनेस तो कर ही लेंगे पिताजी का, या इंजीनियर तो बन ही जाएंगे. I think there is no alternate to honesty and hard work. And at least in today's time, if you, my belief is that life gives you one chance.
Right.
To everybody. And it is important whether when that chance comes, are you ready for that chance or not?
Wow.
So and उसके बाद भी अगर आपके पास कोई alternate ही नहीं है, you have to make it. Like when I came to Bombay, I came from a small little family, lower middle class. My father was a clerk in the forest department. But when I came to Bombay and I struggled for 3 years, I was on the I was homeless. I was sleeping on the railway platforms.
Oh, wow.
But what kept me going is that there is no choice I have. I have to make it. And I had the courage to do that because I worked very hard and I'm an optimist. So आपको जब ये सब तो किसी भी field में determination and persuasion are the two most important things. ये choices जो है ये बर्बाद करती है इंसान को.
Right, that's true.
I must say, Anupam ji, it is very inspirational to talk to you. Even
Yes.
having this opportunity to talk to you on air is wonderful for me because I feel
Thank you.
the flame inside me lighting up right now.
Yes, absolutely. And, it's wonderful to know that, thankfully you didn't give up and you kept at it. And we're
Never.
really blessed
I
to
don't
have
give up. I will not give up for another 30 years.
Please don't.
Oh, wonderful. Thank
God
you so
bless.
much.
Please
And on
don't.
on
Our
the
love is always there for you, sir.
it's not just that. Through your work, all
Yeah.
the upcoming actors and actresses as well. I mean,
Also, I don't have fear of failure. It's our fear of failure which makes us do compromises. If you don't have fear of failure, then the only thing you have to do is that you have to make it. So एक तो नहीं चलता कोई बात नहीं दूसरा हो जाएगा तीसरा हो जाएगा कोई बात नहीं.
Right. So, Anupam ji, I mean, obviously there must have been one big icon or influence for you that pushed you into acting. So, aap could you share that with us? Was there somebody that had a huge influence on you?
So there was my initial growing up years. There was Dilip Saab, Amitabh Bachchan, Raj Kapoor, Guru Dutt. These people played a very important role. And Robert De Niro, Marlon Brando,
Wow.
Paul Mooney. These people were great performers. Jack Nicholson's One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest I saw 5 times in one go. So these are various, and now I get inspired by young actors. Young actors' performances inspire me, and their way, their dedication, their hard work inspires me. But to overall get inspiration is from life. You meet so many people, whether they have achieved something or not, who are dealing with a regular life. There is so much to get inspired them from. A man on the street, a housewife who's working at home continuously for years and years together without complaining. I think there is so much to get inspired from her. There is so much to get inspired from anybody. I think if you look for inspiration, you can find it all around you. So I think I'm a compulsive optimist. I'm a diehard. When you're optimistic so much, then you have only to look up and look at things which are going up.
That is so well said,
That's
isn't
so
it?
well
And
put
learning
also.
from people as well. That's really, it kind of shows in your acting as well, sir. So, चलो अभी मतलब की बात करते हैं.
या
मेरा
मतलब
वो
काम क्यों हाँ हमारा वो मतलब नहीं था हम तो वो हमारा वो मतलब ये है कि बारे में बात करने का था
क्या है ना ये जो आपके नाम है ना आलतू फालतू कभी कभी वो आपके काम में भी आ जाते हैं.
सही बात है सर. So sir, I want to ask you about this play right now. मेरा वो मतलब नहीं था. This play has had rave reviews. We're just reading great things about the play. For you as an actor, for playing the role which you're playing in the play, how does it feel for you?
Well, it's about the play is about two lovers who are in their 20s, wanting to marry each other, and then things don't go right, and they separate, and they meet after 35 years. So the play deals with pain, play deals with pleasure, play deals with nostalgia, play deals with compassion, success, father-son relationship, values. I think there are all those things I've put together in this man. My character is called Pritam Chopra, who is a senior advocate in the Supreme Court. But he is. There are so many things, so many emotions that I go through. You see, the magic of this play is that people find their lives on stage with our lives.
Wow.
They find snatches of their lives. That's why it connects with the audience so much. That's why people don't forget it for days and days together. The kind of response that we've got about the play ये जहन में रहता है बहुत दिनों तक. तो आपके ये जो सैन फ्रांसिस्को के लोग हैं, बे एरिया के जो लोग हैं जिन्होंने हमको ये इतना बड़ा खिताब दिया है, इतना बड़ा सम्मान दिया है कि हमारे 2 shows किए हैं. I think they will really have a good time, and we promise them we will share our love and our talent and our team's hard work with them with the play. मेरा वो मतलब नहीं था.
And we can't wait for Friday, Anupam ji, for you to be here and you to be performing before all our bandhus over here. And अगर आपका कोई मैसेज है हमारे बंधुओं को जो बे एरिया के ऑडियंस अभी सुन रहे हैं आपको, आप प्लीज हमारे साथ शेयर कीजिए अभी.
बस मैं आपके बंधुओं को कहूँगा कि हमें जो इतना प्यार इतने पूरे टूर मिला है, ये हमारा लास्ट लेग है. सीधा हमारा लास्ट शो फिर सैन फ्रांसिस्को के बाद LA में होगा, तो सेकंड लास्ट शो. तो हमें हमें पूरा प्यार दें, जो हमें पूरी उम्मीद है, और हमेशा याद रखें कि जिंदगी में कुछ भी हो सकता है। ये बस याद रखें कि इस फिलॉसफी को जिंदगी से मत जाने दें कि जिंदगी में कुछ भी हो सकता है। एंड कीप your options open, and we are looking forward to meeting all of you on Friday and Saturday, and we will have a great time together. We will celebrate life.
That's true. We will celebrate life. That's wonderful said, actually.
And Bandhujan, this is of course the legendary actor, and it's truly an honor to be talking to him. This is Mr. Anupam Kher himself, who's on the air with us, who is starring in the play, which is Mera Wo Matlab Nahi Tha, that's being staged this Friday and Saturday. Bandhujan, if you haven't got your tickets yet, guys, don't waste any more time. Go right away. Desi1170am.com pe sabhi details hain. Go get your tickets right away. The Saturday show, the floor is sold out. Same thing with the Friday. That's why they opened up the Friday show. So please get your tickets right away. And if you need more information, desi1170am.com. Anupam ji, it's been an honor, sir, talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming on the air.
Thank you. It was a pleasure talking to you, both you, Altu, and both Faltu also. Wonderful.
Thank you so much.